Hello, Rose. It is a pleasure to see you on this fine Tuesday morning. I am feeling very satisfactory. Thank you for asking. Sam, what on earth are you doing? You sound like my GPS navigation system when it runs out of battery, or a customer service bot from the year 1995.
I am attempting to speak perfect English. My teacher said I must pronounce every single letter, T and D. Do not interrupt my processing.
Sam, stop. Turn it off. You are scaring the listeners. You don't sound perfect. You sound creepy. You sound like you are about to invade the earth.
But Rose, I am confused. In school, they taught me to speak clearly. I am going to the market. But when I speak like that in real life, people look at me strangely. They ask me if I am feeling okay. They ask me if I am a police officer.
That is because you have fallen into the textbook trap. You are speaking robotic English. You are pronouncing every word with equal weight. You are not using contractions. You are not using melody. You are technically correct, but you are socially weird.
Socially weird? That is the story of my life. But I want to sound natural. I want to sound like a human being, not a machine.
Then you are in the right place. Today, we are going to delete your robotic programming. We are going to install the human update.
Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle.
And hello from me, the man who is trying to prove he is not an artificial intelligence. Welcome to the show. Today, we have a topic that is absolutely critical for anyone who wants to make friends in English. It is not about grammar rules. It is about vibe. It is about flow. Today, we are talking about how to stop sounding like a robot and speak naturally.
This is huge. I see so many students who have amazing vocabulary. They know words like flabbergasted and procrastination, but when they speak, they sound stiff, they sound formal, they sound like they are reading a legal contract.
Exactly. Today, we are going to teach you the 4 keys to natural speech. We will cover contractions, why you must use them, weak forms, the magic of the schwa sound, linking, how words hold hands, and intonation, the music of the language.
We will also talk about fillers, those little sounds like and that make you sound fluent even when you are thinking.
And we will explain why being lazy with your pronunciation is actually a good thing.
Is laziness good? Finally, a lesson I can excel at. I am the king of lazy.
But before we unplug the robot, we have a small favor. If you are a human being and not a bot, please hit that like button. It helps us prove to the YouTube algorithm that we are real people.
Yes, pass the Voigt-Kempf test and hit like.
Now, Sam, let's start with the biggest offender, the number one reason you sound like a robot: lack of contractions.
Contractions. That is when we smash 2 words together, right? Like I am becomes I'm.
Exactly. In written English, especially formal essays, we are taught to avoid them. I do not agree. It is not possible. But in spoken English, contractions are mandatory. If you say, I do not know, you sound angry or emphatic. If you say, I don't know, you sound normal.
Really? So if I say I do not like pizza, it sounds like a declaration of war against Italy?
A little bit. It sounds very serious. I do not like it. Whereas I don't like it is casual. Sam, give me some robot sentencers and I will humanize them.
Okay, robot mode. I will not go to the party.
Human mode, I won't go to the party. See, will not becomes won't, much softer.
Robot mode. She has not been there.
Human mode, she hasn't been there. Or even, she's not been there.
Robot mode. I would have liked to see it.
Ooh, a double contraction. Human mode, I'd have liked to see it. I would have becomes I'd have.
I'd have? That sounds like a sneeze.
It does, but it flows. If you pronounce every word, I would have, you break the rhythm. You stop the flow.
So, rule number 1, always contract, unless you are writing a wedding invitation to the queen.
Even then, the queen probably uses contractions in private. One isn't amused.
Now, let's move to the second key. This is the one that blows my mind, the rhythm of English.
Yes, this is the difference between stress-timed languages and syllable-timed languages. Sam, your native language might be syllable-timed. That means every syllable takes the same amount of time. Da, 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 like a machine gun.
Yes. Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, they are mostly syllable timed.
Hello, how are you?
But English is stress-timed. We only stress the content words, nouns, verbs, adjectives. We crush the function words, prepositions, articles, pronouns. It sounds like Morse code. Da, 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 da.
This is where the schwa comes in, right?
Exactly. The schwa, is the lazy sound. It sounds like a tiny grunt, To sound natural, you must use the schwa for unimportant words. Look at the word to. Robot, I want to go to the park, pronouncing it to. Human, I want to go to the park.
It becomes ta. I want to sleep.
Look at the word for. Robot, this is for you, pronouncing it for. Human, this is for you.
Fur, like a cat's fur. Thanks for coming.
Look at and. Robot, fish and chips. Human, fish and chips, or just fish and chips.
So to sound fluent, I have to be lazy? I have to destroy these little words?
You are not destroying them, you are reducing them to make the important words shine. It is like a spotlight. If everything is bright, nothing is bright. You need a shadow to see the light.
That is very poetic, Rose. You need shadow to see the light. I am going to embroider that on a pillow.
Let's practice this rhythm. I will say a sentence. I want you to clap on the stressed words.
Okay, I am ready to clap.
Boys eat apples. 3 syllables, 3 claps.
Boys eat apples.
Now, the boys eat the apples. 5 syllables, but it takes the same amount of time to say.
The boys eat the apples. Whoa, the happens very fast.
Now, the boys will be eating the apples. 8 syllables, but still only 2 main beats.
The boys will be eating the apples. It's like jazz. You have to fit all the little words in between the beats.
Exactly. If you try to say, the boys will be eating, slowly, you sound like a robot. You lose the beat.
This explains so much. I always felt like I was running out of breath trying to pronounce everything.
Save your breath for the nouns and verbs, Sam. Now, let's talk about key number 3, linking. In written English, there are spaces between words. In spoken English, there are no spaces. If I say stop it, I don't say stop it, I say stop it.
It sounds like one word. Stop it.
This is called consonant-vowel linking. If a word ends in a consonant, like P and stop, and the next starts with a vowel, like I and it, they stick together. Work out, work out. Turn on, turn on. Wake up, wake up.
Wake up. Grab it. Read it.
Exactly. And there is another type, consonant-consonant linking. If the sounds are the same, we only say one of them. Red dress, robot, red dress, 2 Ds. Human, redress, 1 long D.
Black cat. Robot. Black cat. 2 K sounds. Human. Black cat. 1 K.
Big game, human, big game.
It makes everything so much smoother. It's like putting oil in the engine.
Exactly. Robots are clunky, humans are smooth. Now, let's talk about key number 4, intonation, the music. Robot English is flat, monotone. Human English is wavy. It goes up and down.
I struggle with this. Sometimes I sound bored when I am actually happy.
Pitch is how we show emotion. If you say really with a falling pitch, really, it sounds like you don't care or you are disappointed. If you say really with a rising pitch, really, it sounds surprised. If you say really with a high-low high pitch, really, it sounds sarcastic.
Let's try a game. I will say the word hello. You tell me what emotion I am feeling based on the music.
Okay, go.
Hello. You are bored or depressed or you hate me.
Correct. Now, hello.
You are happy. You are excited to see me.
Correct. Now, hello.
You are answering the phone and you can't hear the other person. Or you walked into a dark room and you are scared.
Correct. Now, hello.
You are flirting or you are trying to be charming.
Exactly. It is the same word, 5 different meanings, just because of the music.
So listeners, if you want to sound natural, you have to exaggerate your intonation. It might feel silly, it might feel like acting, but to a native speaker, it sounds engaged.
If you speak flatly, we think you are angry. That is the truth.
Now, let's bring this all together in a role play. Sam, I want you to be Robot Sam first. We are meeting at a party. Then I want you to be Natural Sam.
Okay, Robot Sam initiated. Party ambience, chatter, glasses clinking.
Hey Sam, long time no see. How have you been?
I have been very busy at work. Do you want to get a drink with me?
Okay, cut. That was painful. I felt like I was talking to an ATM.
I pronounced every word perfectly.
But there was no connection. Now try it again. Use contractions, I've been. Use the schwa, to get a drink. Use linking, with me. Well, no linking there, but flow. Use intonation.
Okay, natural Sam, rebooting. Party ambience returns.
Hey Sam, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey Rose, I've been super busy at work actually, but it's all good. Do you want to get a drink?
Yes, that was perfect. I've been, contraction. Wanna, reduction of want to. Getta, linking get a. And you sounded happy.
It felt faster, but also easier.
It is easier. It takes less effort. Now, we touched on something there. Slang and reductions. Wanna, gonna, gotta. Some teachers say this is bad English. I say it is real English.
If you go to a business meeting, maybe say, I am going to. But in a cafe, if you say, I am going to have a coffee, you sound stiff. I'm gonna have a coffee.
Let's drill these. These are the super reductions. Sam, I will say the formal phrase. You translate it into natural English.
Ticking clock sound. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
I am going to go.
I'm gonna go.
I want to eat.
I wanna eat.
I have to leave.
I gotta leave.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Give me that.
Gimme that.
I do not know.
I dunno.
What are you doing?
What you doing?
Did you eat yet?
Jeet yet?
Cheat yet? That is an extreme reduction. Did you eat? Dia eat? Cheat. But native speakers use this.
Jeet yet? No Jew? No did you? We are basically speaking in code.
Now, let's talk about fillers. When robots think, they go beep, boop. When humans think, we make noise to hold the floor.
We talked about this in the last episode. But there are also discourse markers, words that don't mean anything but help the flow. Like, you know, I mean.
Example, it was like really cold. The word like adds no meaning, but it gives the speaker a microsecond to think of the word cold.
Example, he was crazy, you know? You know it's just checking for a connection.
Example, I want to go. I mean, I have to go. I mean signals a correction.
Don't overuse them or you sound like a teenager. Like, totally, you know, like, but using them a little bit makes you sound very comfortable.
Now, we have a listener Q&A. This question comes from Ahmed in Egypt. He asks, I try to speak naturally, but I feel like I am faking it. I feel like an actor. Is that wrong?
Oh, that is a great question. We talked about the alter ego before. My answer is fake it till you make it. Every language learner feels like an actor at the beginning. You are adopting a new personality.
Exactly. When you speak English, you are English-speaking Ahmed. He might be a bit louder, a bit more musical than Arabic-speaking Ahmed. That is okay. The robotic feeling comes from trying to force your native personality into a new language structure. Let the new language change you.
Embrace the performance. When I speak French, I become very romantic and philosophical. When I speak German, I become very organized and precise. It's fun.
Also, Ahmed, record yourself. Listen to it. You will realize that you sound much better than you think. The fake feeling is internal. Externally, you just sound fluent. Let's do one more specialized roleplay, the apology. Robots apologize with logic. Humans apologize with feeling. Scenario: I spilled coffee on your new white shirt. Robot Sam: I am sorry. It was an accident. See? That sounds like you don't care. It sounds like a lawyer wrote it. Now, natural Sam. Use the music. Use the ooh sounds. Natural Sam:
Oh my gosh, Rose, I am so sorry. Are you okay? I'm such a klutz.
much better. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Stressed. Klutz, slang for clumsy. I forgive Natural Sam. I do not forgive Robot Sam.
Robot Sam will be sent to the scrap heap.
So let's look back at our upgrade process today. We have installed a lot of new software.
We started by deleting the monotone. We learned that English is music. It goes up and down.
We learned the importance of contractions. I am, I'm, always.
We discovered the rhythm of English, stress-timed. We clap on the nouns and verbs. We crush the little words with the schwa, fish and chips.
We learned about linking. Stop it. Wake up. Words hold hands. They don't stand alone.
We practiced reductions like wanna and gonna. The lazy way is the fluent way.
And we learned to use fillers, like you know and I mean, to sound thoughtful, not broken.
And most importantly, We learned that perfection is robotic, connection is human.
Sam, do you feel human now?
I feel 100% organic matter. My circuits are fried, but my heart is beating.
That is good to hear. We have a challenge for you in the comments. Write a sentence in robot English, no contractions, and then rewrite it in natural English, with contractions and slang.
Example, robot. I am going to the cinema. Natural, I'm gonna hit the movies. Show us your transformation.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this episode helps you find your flow.
Don't be a bot, be a human.
Have a wonderful, wavy, musical week.
See ya. Not, I will see you. See ya.
Bye, everyone.